Printful WooCommerce 101, Print on Demand with WooCommerce. Printful is a print-on-demand, pod, dropshipping company that integrates with e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce to allow users to sell custom-designed products with their own branding. WooCommerce is a popular e-commerce plugin for WordPress websites. When integrated with Printful, users can easily create and sell custom products through their WooCommerce stores without holding inventory or managing production. Here's how Printful integration with WooCommerce works. 1. Installation and setup. To get started, you'll need to install the Printful plugin for WooCommerce on your WordPress website. This plugin allows you to connect your WooCommerce store with your Printful account. You can find the Printful plugin in the WordPress plugin directory or download it from the Printful website. 2. Product syncing. Once the plugin is installed and activated, you can sync your Printful products with your WooCommerce store. Printful offers a wide range of customizable products, including clothing, accessories, home decor, and more. You can choose which products to sync with your store and customize them with your own designs using Printful's design tools. 3. Order fulfillment. When a customer places an order for a Printful product on your WooCommerce store, the order details are automatically sent to Printful for fulfillment. Printful handles the production, printing, packaging, and shipping of the custom products directly to your customers on your behalf. You don't need to hold inventory or manage the production process yourself. 4. Automatic updates. Printful automatically updates order statuses and tracking information in your WooCommerce store as orders are processed and fulfilled. This allows you to keep track of orders and provide customers with accurate shipping information. 5. Customization options. Printful offers various customization options for products, including printing methods, color choices, sizing options, and design placement. You can upload your own designs or use Printful's design tools to create custom artwork for your products. 6. Customer support. Printful provides customer support to assist you with any questions or issues related to product creation, order fulfillment, or integration with WooCommerce. You can contact Printful support team via email, live chat, or phone for assistance. Overall, integrating Printful with WooCommerce allows you to create a seamless and automated process for selling custom-designed products through your WordPress website. Whether you're a small business owner, artist, or entrepreneur, Printful's integration with WooCommerce provides a convenient and cost-effective way to start and grow your online store with custom merchandise.